With Christmas just around the corner, the garden here at Gazza the Green Permaculture is looking a bit like the Shire preparing for Yule. Slightly chaotic, happily overgrown, and full of creatures who may or may not be on Santa's nice list. Winston, I'm looking at you.
Christmas cheering.
G'day friends, and welcome to the final video before I take a little break for Christmas and New Year. Today we're diving into what a Hobbit-style Christmas looks like in a permaculture garden.
Folks, let the spirit fly. With every joyful heart, we come together, sharing love and laughter, no matter the weather. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
In the Shire, Christmas, or Yule, was a time for eating, singing, feasting, and avoiding anything resembling hard work. Which, I must say, fits nicely with the permaculture principle, work with nature, not against it.
Because honestly, who wants to be digging swales when it's 38 degrees and the cicadas are screaming like Nazguls?
Hobbits would decorate with things from the land: pine, holly, berries. Here in subtropical Australia, we improvise. Maybe you got some native currants, bottle brush flowers, or just some very enthusiastic mulberry regrowth.
Sharing stories of our harvest, each one a fable. Kale and carrots, sweet potatoes too. Together we cultivate.
One thing I love about Christmas is the reminder that abundance is meant to be shared. In permaculture, that's our ethic of fair share. If the zucchinis are producing like they've struck a deal with Saruman, it might be time to gift a few to the neighbours.
And nothing says Merry Christmas like surplus veg, trust me. People will pretend they don't like bags of beans, but deep down, they do.
This time of year is also perfect for small acts of earth care. Mulch your beds so the soil doesn't fry in the summer heat. Top up compost piles. Think of it as giving your microbes a Christmas ham. And check your water systems so they're ready for hot days ahead.
We're composting memories, sharing our dreams in the spirit of Christmas.
Now, if you look closely, every permaculture garden has Middle-earth characters wandering around.
The skinks, definitely hobbits, harmless, barefoot, and always eating. The kookaburras, they're basically the eagles. They swoop in dramatically, save the day, and take all the credit. And the chickens, well, they're orcs, no explanation needed.
In this permaculture world, we'll soar to new heights. Each gift of the season, from the soil to the sky. Echoes of life.
And then there's Winston the dog, who I'm convinced is a mix between a took and a mischievous elf. Somehow guilty even when he's innocent. Let's not forget Banjo. He's very entish these days. And still enjoys good hugs and pats for Christmas.
Of the cosmos, let love never end. So here's to the season.
As we wrap up this year, I just want to say a huge thank you to you all. This channel has grown like a pumpkin vine that's found the compost pile, unexpectedly fast and delightfully wild. Sharing my permaculture journey from the wins to the hilarious disasters has been joyful, and having you along for the adventure has made it even better. I'm taking a short break over Christmas and New Year's, just like a hobbit after second breakfast. I'll be back with more permaculture ideas, Middle-earth mischief, and gardening experiments early in January next year.
Silent night, oh what a sight. In Middle-earth, everything's alright.
So, wherever you are this Yule, may your gardens be peaceful, your compost be merry, and your mulches be deep.
And remember the wise words of Gandalf. It's the small, everyday deeds of ordinary folk that keeps the darkness at bay. In our case, planting a tree, sharing a pumpkin, and providing the chooks with a festive feast. Merry Christmas, Happy Yule, and a wonderful New Year's to you all. Stay green, stay curious, and I'll see you in 2026. And until then, may your garden stay as abundant as a Hobbit's pantry